Hello, friends. It pleases me to welcome your presence on this digital platform on behalf of Department of English, KKM College, Manvat. Considering the need of quality education and also to disseminate the knowledge among different social classes in the vicinity of Manvat, the college, with its rural background, was established in the year 1972. Since its establishment, the college has been taking all possible efforts to remain active in the process of quality enhancement through a focus on student-centric activities. The Department of English takes a lead to keep students at the center by keeping in mind the need of students in the region. Therefore, the department has been conducting the activities such as spoken and written English classes, film club, and book club for last few years. Book club is a platform where students can read, share, and review books. The students are expected to listen, talk, and suggest on various books. In this way, it may boost skill-based learning, encourage reading culture, and assist their overall development. I hope that you would encourage our students through your active listening and noteworthy suggestions. Thank you.
Friends, I am Saraswati Vajanath Desai, IASY student of KKM College, Manvat. The Department of English of my college has been running this activity on this mode during this lockdown period. It is named as Book Club. This activity is about to read and review books to expand quality and all-round education. These type of activities certainly help students increase their out-of-syllabus knowledge. As a part of this activity, I am here to interact with you on the book written by Tarabai Shinde. Author information. Tarabai Shinde was born in 1850 in Buldhana in Maratha family. She studied Marathi, Sanskrit and English languages, and she was well read in classical and modern literature. She is the first Indian feminist who immediately hypocrisy and women's secondary status in Indian society. She was associated with the social activities of Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule and a founder of Satyashodak Samaj organization. Physical description of the book. Title of the book: A Comparison Between Men and Women. This book written by Tarabai Shinde. A comparison between men and women, as we can call it in Marathi, Stri Purush Tulna, was first published in Marathi in 1882. Then it was translated into English language in 1975. It is considered to be country's first modern feminist. Why this book? Because of I thought Tarabai's unique piece, as we can see our society is male-dominated. Woman life was controlled by such rules and regulation, where she is not even free to do anything in comparison of that day's society, but internally it is not changed. Even today, as a part of this society, every man and woman also want to give a balance like to men and women. Content of the book. Tarabai Shinde did not focus simply on the oppression of Indian women. She believed in that everywhere woman can oppress the similarity of a man. A comparison between men and women is a classic example of a woman's efforts to reveal the demonstration of gender discrimination record during the 19th century. Tarabai Shinde examples this essay. A comparison between men and women is an attack on the dominance of patriarchal society. Shinde examples some arguments that are against women and followed by society, then rejecting them on logical grounds justify the innocence of women and rejecting the blame on men. She is not frustrated by the men. In the beginning of the essay, she directly addressed that you created men and women, but not impartial with women. Let's have a look at the notice in the text that formulate woman-centric approach. Feminism. The word feminism refers to intense awareness of feminine problems. a man is right being and woman is in wrong. The main cause of all physical disorder is society. Gender. Gender is decided by culture, social, political, and economic force, which influence social behavior of a man and woman. Even today, Indian women do not dare to write in such a language in which she wrote in the 19th century. Every day there are different examples of men's hypocrisy and terrible violence against women in India, but every time women are blamed by society. In Indian feminism, a self-conscious and systematic approach is not an uniquely 20th century limitation. There are few language-related shortcomings in the book, but these limitations are not much significant. Conclusion. Tarabai Shinde asked that one question that flooded a fire in the hearts of women, the one that nobody dared to ask openly. But do men not suffer from the same flaws that women are supposed to have? In her work, A Comparison Between Men and Women, Tarabai Shinde's Ahead of Time approach makes the booklet historical and revolutionary. It is must read to now, the basis of Indian feminism.